Hello, this is George Senda, the guy from Pittsburgh, and here we have another Burgh unboxing. And this is from Pacific, Washington. I don't know where that is. I have no idea. So, anybody knows where Pacific, Washington is, let me know. I'll look it up later. I'm curious. Alright, we have this bag here. This is Burgh baggie, really. And Summing Road. Alright, we have, oh boy, something that was a great product in its day, and it's still a great product, even though Apple discontinued it. This is the EyeSight camera. Now, I did not get the little stand for it, and I thought I was going to. But that's okay. Maybe this is the stand for it. You have the camera lens, and when you're not using the camera, this closes automatically. And I cannot read what's on the camera with my eyes, so unless I have a flashlight. But I'll post the specs. Here's the back of it. Here's the connector. And this has two microphones on it somewhere. I know that much. And here is the connector to the camera and the USB cable. So why this didn't come with a stand, I'm not sure. It should have. I thought it did. But I'll figure something out. Actually, I think it might just stand up like this. It just won't be, with the Mac Mini, it won't matter that much. I'll take something up. So when I go to connect the Mac Mini, I'll test this out and see if I can do a video on it. So this is the Apple EyeSight camera. And I have Mac Tracker. I can look up the stats on this. When they started putting new cameras in new MacBooks, and they stopped selling this, and this was still a great product by Apple. All right, that's it for that one, the EyeSight camera. So trying to do whatever I can to keep doing videos. Hope you appreciate it. Okay, this is George Senda, the guy from Pittsburgh. Have a great afternoon and evening. Stay wet, warm, dry, or cool as the case may be, and stay safe. And I'll be back in a minute with the final. No, I'm take that back. I'm wrong. But I have to take a shower before I do one of them because I'm all sweaty, and one of them is a wearable item. All right. Have a great evening. Stay wet, warm, dry, or cool out there, and stay safe. And up comes the next item from Astoria, New York. I don't know where that is either. This is George Senda, the guy from Pittsburgh. Bye-bye for now. I'll be right back with another video.